Guys, I'm gonna play some b-ball, and this is got my high tops on, and I am ready to roll. All right, okay. Oh, whoa. Oh, snap. Okay, now let me make it. I usually make this. Alright, I'm going to show you how we do this. Ready? Okay, I'm behind the car right now. So I'm going to try behind 2 cars. I'm going to try to make this. I am behind 2 cars. Okay guys, I'm going behind 2 cars, and maybe after I'll go behind 3. Now I'm gonna go behind 2 and see if I can make this. If I can make it, I can go 3. But if I fail, I'm just gonna go behind 1 car. Right now I'm going behind 2. Alright, I'm behind 2. Oh! Yeah. I'm gonna trap 1 car now. Right about here. Come on, man. I'm gonna make this. I can go behind 6. Okay, if I'm in this, okay, now I'm gonna go behind 3 cars. See how I did? I'm only gonna fail because I failed on the other one. Oh, did you see that? That actually counts as a 3-pointer because 3 cars. Now I just made a 3-pointer. Or maybe probably a little bit more. I'm gonna redo it. See if I can make it behind 3 cars. Oh, what? Alright guys, that might be it for today. I'd love to play some b-ball. If you guys want me to show you some tricks on b-ball, just comment and say you like this and you want me to do more. Bye.